आज अपन देखने वाले हैं लीड कोड की प्रॉब्लम लॉन्गेस्ट इंक्रीजिंग सबसीक्वेंस। सो इसमें अपन को एक एरे दे रखा है एंड उसमें अपन को निकालना है लेंथ ऑफ लॉन्गेस्ट स्ट्रिक्टली इंक्रीजिंग सबसीक्वेंस। सो अगर इस एरे को पिक करता हूँ तो इसमें से मेरे को एक सबसीक्वेंस निकालनी है जो कि इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में हो एंड स्ट्रिक्टली मतलब एटलीस्ट डिफरेंस 1 होना चाहिए। जैसे 2 3 7, जैसे इसमें अपन देखेंगे तो इसमें सारे सेम है तो वो स्ट्रिक्टली इंक्रीजिंग नहीं होगा, तो इसमें अपना आंसर 1 ही होगा। एंड जैसे इसमें देखते हैं अपन 0 1 एंड उसके बाद में 2 एंड 3, ये हो गई इसकी लॉन्गेस्ट इंक्रीजिंग सब सीक्वेंस। सो अपन को ये देखना है। चलो अपन इसको देखते हैं। वी हैव गिवन वन एरे दैट इज 8 4 2 and then 5 and 9 3 and 10. So basically I can say if a subsequence start from 8, then the next element would be 9. Okay, and if that contains 9, then next would be my 10 if it start from 8. Okay, and if we start from 4, then it can be 5 as well. Okay, and it can be 9 as well, and it can be 10 as well, and 8 to 10, that is also possible. Okay, so if I come to 2, then 3 is possible. If I come to 5, okay, 2 to 10 is also possible. So basically all are increasing. That is what I want to see. Okay, so if I see here, if I follow this path, 8 then 9 and then 10, that is one path. And if I follow this path, 4 to 5 then 9 then 10, then it will contain 4 elements. So I could say for every element, let's say that is 4, I can say what is the, in this side, what is the minimum that is less than 4. Okay, and what is their length. So let's say if we start from 8, then I would say length would be 1. If I start from 4, then length would be 1. If I start from 2, then also length would be 1, because there is no element that is less than 2. If I come to 5, then I can build this combination 5 to 2, and 5 to 4 is also possible, and that will make the length of 2. And if I come to 9, and if I come to 9 to 5, then I can say for 5 I have already 2, and that is because 5 to 2 or 5 to 4. So if I come to 9, then 9 to 5 is possible, then it would be 3. And if I come to 3, then 3 to 2 is possible, and for 2 we have 1, so that would be 2. And for 10 we can pick 3 as well, that is 2. We can pick 9 as well, that is 3, but I will pick the maximum one, so that would be 3, and that would become 4 here. So I can say, and this path would lead to the answer. The longest length would be 4. So basically what I'm doing, for every element, I'm just checking if the previous element is less than that or not, and I am adding that into the length. So I will start from getting the length, and I have created one dp array int of length n, and I will initialize it with 1 dp1. Okay, for every element I each plus plus, and for int j equals to 0 to j is less than I j plus plus, and if nums j is less than nums I, then that is one combination, but I will pick always the maximum dpi or 1 plus. So you know why I am doing 1 plus dpg, because that will add one more combination. Okay, now at the end I will pick the maximum among this dp array. So if x is greater than max, max means x, and return maximum, and run the code. Okay, let's submit the code, and then we will discuss time and space complexity for this approach. So basically space complexity is order of n due to that array, and time complexity would be order of n square due to these two for loops. And I think that's it for it today. Thanks, guys.